There are 3 cunning strategies used by women to make you keep chasing them during the approach. Watch this video until the end so that you don't get trapped in the friend zone, free ride zone, or even the clown zone. First, after getting close, she usually disappears. She does this to make you keep thinking about her. The longing to meet and talk to her actually comes from our own imagination. Whether it's intentional or because she has many options and does it to multiple guys at the same time. Therefore, during the approach phase, it's better not to only focus on her but also have other options that keep you from having time to miss her. Don't let yourself feel too longing and have excessive expectations for her. No matter how cool and valuable you are, if you have already set high expectations for her, it's over. Second, she will maintain a distance. Maintaining distance can mean disappearing or suddenly becoming cold, giving short replies to chats, taking a long time to respond, and not making an effort to find topics to develop your conversation. She does this intentionally so that you don't feel like you already have her and still need to keep fighting for her. In this situation, stay calm and pretend like nothing's happening. If you want to chat with her and there's a topic, go ahead and chat. Don't force yourself to chat, even if there's no topic, just because deep down inside you want to make sure she's still interested in you. That's called hoping, and you shouldn't do that, bro. Third, she will praise you. Sometimes she dares to touch you, but don't get too excited. She might do it intentionally to make you emotional, and she does it to many victims, not just you. You see, humans, in general, like to be touched, especially since guys rarely have girls who are willing to touch them, right? When someone touches you, especially if she's attractive, you will surely keep thinking about it. So, the key is not to have too many expectations. From now on, take full control of your consciousness. Don't let your self-esteem and the value you have built over time crumble in a matter of seconds just because of a girl. Stay calm and respond if she genuinely respects you. If she starts acting dramatic, just let it be and don't get carried away. If she's truly interested in you, she will come back. Those were the 3 things you should be wary of when approaching girls so that you don't end up in an unwanted zone. Subscribe, like, follow, and share to become even cooler. See you in the next episode.